TileMate is a compact and versatile GPS tag. It's a small square-shaped device that can be attached to your keys or your wallet or other valuable items. Once you pair it with the Tile app on your smartphone, it allows you to track the location of your items using Bluetooth technology. So if you misplace your keys, for example, you can open the Tile app on your phone and use it to make the TileMate attached to your keys emit a loud ringtone. This makes it easier to locate your keys, even if they're underneath the cushions or in another room. The TileMate also has a community feature. So, if you can't find your item, you can mark it as lost in the app. And if anyone with the Tile app comes into proximity with your lost item, the TileMate will anonymously send its location to your app, helping you to recover it. TileMate and similar GPS tags are handy tools for seniors to prevent the stress and frustration of misplacing important items like your keys and your wallets.